Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Create a Firebase project in the console and add Android and iOS apps. Open the project settings and register your app package names exactly. Download Google Services, JSON and Google Service Info. List into platform folders and follow platform setup steps. Add Firebase Core and Firebase Auth to PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pub get to install packages. Update Android build. Gradle and iOS runner settings as instructed by Firebase. Keep your Firebase SDK versions compatible with Flutter stable channel. Initialize Firebase in main. Dart before running the app and await Firebase. Initialize app. Wrap run app in an async main and ensure widgets Flutter binding is initialized first. Use create user with email and password and sign in with email and password from Firebase Auth for email and password flows. Validate inputs and display clear error messages for weak password, invalid email, and user not found codes. Call Firebase Auth. Instance. Sign out to sign out users when needed and clear local session data. Persist auth state is automatic with the Firebase SDK across app restarts. Listen to Firebase Auth. Instance. Auth state changes for real-time user state and update UI accordingly. Use Stream Builder or Provider to expose the current user across widgets and routes. Use custom claims or Firebase rules to protect data and restrict access to authenticated users only. Test sign-in flows on a physical device and configure OAuth redirect URIs precisely for Google and Apple sign-in. Monitor sign-in errors and implement retry logic with backoff and clear user-facing messages for best reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.